Everyone, today we will decorate our cupcakes with colorful flowers. So let's make it. These are cupcakes. See how spongy they are. So we will decorate them with these colorful ice cream. First of all, we will make the base. So that our flower stick to this base. For this, we'll spread some cream. If you want these cupcakes to be filled with any crush and all, just scoop it from the center and fill your desired filling, crush any chocolate or sprinkles on anything, and then cover it again. So after that you can do this step. Just cover the surface of the cupcake. And now we will do some icing. Here I have taken white cream first. First of all, we'll do this edge. I have changed this nozzle with the help of, because I have fixed this cup. So we can change the nozzle by removing this. And now we'll make some leaves like this. And after that, in between, like between two leaves, we can make again some leaf. Like this. And in the center, with the yellow. So our cupcake will be like this flower. Or if you want to, you can add some green leaves here. Or you can leave it like this only with white color and yellow color. So this will be a cupcake. And again we'll make the base of this. With the second cupcake also the same procedure. Now on this we can make this is Russian nozzle I'm using. We can make some flowers on this. Like this. So our delicious cupcakes are ready. You can make the designs as you want. So as per your choice, you can use colors also, mix and match and multicolor or see. So they are very easy to make and looks very elegant when you serve them for your parties, for your birthday parties or get-togethers. So make them at home and relish with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.